Hey guys, it's Eddie Martinez here with the Recording Connection, and welcome to your supplemental video for lesson number 7, Intro to the Console Part 2. Let's go ahead and jump right to it. Okay guys, so we're about to cover 4 topics in this video, so let's remember to take plenty of notes. Let's start by titling your notes at the top of your page, Lesson 7 video. We're going to go ahead and put 4 bullet points on this page, around 4 or 5 lines apart, which is a good enough space for each topic. So the first thing we'll be taking notes on is the channel strip, so go ahead and write channel strips on your first bullet point. Bullet point 2 would be microphone preamps. Bullet point 3 will be channel EQ. Bullet point 4 will be auxiliary send routing. Let's jump right into it. The channel strip is usually separated into these sections. We got the input jacks, microphone preamps, channel EQ, dynamic processing, routing, which includes direct ins and outs, auxiliaries, and panning control. And then obviously you'll have your input faders. On most consoles, these sections are actually color-coded for quick identification by the operator. Each signal that is an input into the mixer has its own channel, and depending on the specific mixer, each channel is either stereo or mono. On most mixers, each channel will have an XLR input, and many will have an RCA or quarter-inch line input. Now let's go ahead and talk about microphone preamps. So what a microphone preamp is, it's a sound engineering device that helps microphone signals that are normally too weak to be used in a mixing recording session actually used. A microphone preamplifier increases the microphone signal to a line level which is actually adequate for recording. Okay everyone, so let's go ahead and move along to the channel EQ. So what the channel EQ is an area in the mixer which will allow you to change the signal of a sound. You could either boost frequencies or reduce them, and the frequencies that you can boost or reduce are the mid, the high, and the bass. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to cover today is the auxiliary send routing. The auxiliary send routes a split of the incoming signal to an auxiliary bus, which then can be used with an external device. Auxiliary sends can be used to send the signal to an external device or processor such as reverb, which can then be routed back to another channel or designated auxiliary returns on the mixer. Now these will normally be post-fader, but pre-fader auxiliary sends can be used to provide a monitor mix to a musician on stage. Okay guys, that's all the video I have for you today. This has been Eddie Martinez with the Recording Connection, and if you want a little bit more, don't forget to check out Music is My Oxygen for all the things that you love about music, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.